Imagine this. You wake up early in the morning and you let out a big yawn as you stretch in your bed. You grab your phone and see a new notification that says you've received a payment of over $100 through a direct transfer into your bank account. Then, as you read the details of that notification, you receive yet another one that tells you that another deposit worth $300 was sent over to your PayPal account. It's a pretty nice scenario to envision, isn't it? Well, for many people, it's not just a scenario. It's become a pretty common sight among other individuals, especially those who know the secret to receiving notifications which aren't scams, like that on a day-to-day basis, if not by the hour. Did that scenario pique your interest? If so, then what we have to say next will get you even more excited than that. While I did say that this is a common sight for only some individuals, I never said that you couldn't become one of those individuals, and we're going to show you one of the ways that can happen. If you want to wake up to money flowing into your bank account, then keep watching this video because in it, we'll change your views on the prospect of making money online in ways you've never seen before. This is Daily Payday, the only channel you'll ever need to visit to get the best tips and tricks on how to make money online and easily. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get updates on any new upcoming videos, community posts, and more awesome and profitable content and strategies coming your way. Also, don't forget to leave a like because it helps us out just as much as it'll help you out in the long run. If you've got any questions or concerns, don't be afraid to leave comments in the comments section of the video down below. Today, we're going to be showing you a total of 5 free apps through which you can get paid easily, quickly, and automatically and without you having to exert much effort. While you'll have to download each of the apps and log in every day to get paid, that's all you have to do to earn money. And the best part about this method? This strategy is completely free, and it doesn't require a credit card, skills, or any form of upfront monetary investment. It's also available in several countries that span the entire globe, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Pakistan, Indonesia, the Philippines, and many, many more. We're here to help you find out which 5 steps or avenues through which you can earn money, because the more apps you utilize all at the same time, the more money you make from these apps. So what are you waiting for? Let's get right into the video and show you how you get rich. The first app we'd like to show you is called Instagc, which is available at instagc.com. With Instagc, you can earn a lot of money by simply downloading it for free on your phone. It's available on iOS and Android phones. Instagc's Facebook page displays the company's name and logo and shows all of their payment proof on the Facebook page timeline. Some of their posts on Facebook even shows that some users on Instagc redeemed some PayPal rewards, meaning that you can legitimately earn some money via PayPal rewards from simply using Instagc. For example, one of the posts here shows that a user redeemed $66 worth in PayPal rewards, while another user redeemed an $80 reward in PayPal as well. You can even redeem your reward points in the form of free Amazon gift cards that you can use in your purchases, especially if you don't have access to a PayPal or bank account. There are many more cases of proof in the Instagc Facebook page that you can see for yourself. You can earn points in Instagc for simply doing activities that you already normally do online. For example, you can take some simple surveys or questionnaires and immediately get rewarded for simply clicking a few buttons for 10 to 20 minutes every day. You can also just explore the internet, browse different websites, and even just search on Google, and you'll be paid for every minute you spend doing so. You can also watch videos and earn money, and we personally recommend this activity since all you need to do is hit play. You can even play multiple videos at the same time over several tabs. With Instagc, you can generate multiple streams of income from a single app. Signing up with Instagc will give you 10 free points on sign up too. The second app we're going to discuss is called App Karma. App Karma lets you earn rewards just by playing with the app, and it's completely free to download it. You don't have to invest any money upfront, and the greatest part is that App Karma is available on both iOS and Android. You can redeem your points earned in this app through PayPal or top-of-the-shelf gift cards. And all you'll need to do is download App Karma on your phone to get 300 points for free, with 100 points being equal to $1. They give you $3 without you having to do anything in the first place. That's amazing! You can also refer other people to this app, and doing so will let you multiply your earnings and make more money on the app. You earn 30% of whatever earnings the users you refer to the app earns. If you refer one person to the app and they earn $100, you get $30 without doing anything. App Karma is an amazing app that lets you earn passive income just by logging in for the daily reward and for referring more people to the app. Using the app more and more helps you increase your earnings by awarding you with badges for certain tasks you complete, and these badges help you level up, increasing your reward levels the more you use App Karma. With a maximum of a 12.5% increase to your rewards, which honestly sounds insane. Before we continue on to the next apps, would like you to leave a like on the video if you're enjoying it so far, and to hit that subscribe button for more updates and money-making strategy videos coming your way. Back to the video. The third app would like to show you today is called Cashkick, which is available at Cashkick.com. You can complete surveys, capitalize on various great deals online, watch videos, and browse the net on this website to earn rewards, similar to Instagc. The big difference here is the payout rates on Cashkick are higher than that of Instagc. We suggest that you focus on watching videos because they are the highest paying opportunities on Cashkick. Simply sign up for a free account using your email address and password and start earning money. The fourth app we have is Superpay at superpay.me. Essentially, on Superpay, you make money online by answering free paid surveys and completing other offers. Payments are handled fast, usually within 24 hours, and have a really low cash-out threshold. You can even work from home right now by joining Superpay today for free. You can even get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. And once you are ready to cash out your profits, a variety of ways to do that is available, like PayPal, gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Skrill, and Bitcoin, among others. What's more is, if you aren't too sure that Superpay will actually pay you, you can check superpay.me for payment proof and transaction histories on the website. Here, you can view all of the names and usernames of the most recently paid members. Most of the payments are made through PayPal to cash out, and you'll notice that some of the payouts can reach as high as $35 or higher. Join Superpay now, and you'll be able to earn decent money from answering its surveys and offers and get paid within a day. Our final app is SmartApp, which is found at smartapp.io. Like all the other apps, SmartApp is available for free and can be installed on your mobile phones. You can start receiving money every month from SmartApp without doing anything. How does it work then? Well, SmartApp is an app that collects information about your data consumption habits and helps companies understand how users consume their data and shop on the web. It's completely safe and secure, and your data is guaranteed to be secure and encrypted. SmartApp has received a number of positive reviews and testimonies from users in places that span the globe all over. And joining up as a user to earn money is as simple as signing up for a free account and doing a few simple surveys to be fully accepted. If you qualify, you can download and install SmartApp for free, and then all you have to do is to keep the device linked to your account. After that, you should remember to turn on your phone every day. This way, you'll be able to receive money on your phone on a day-to-day basis. And that's it! Those are 5 apps that you can install onto your phone to earn some extra income every day. If you like this video and the information you learned from it, be sure to leave a like to show us some support and help our channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell because we release videos often, and each one of them is sure to help you earn some extra cash on the side to help you pay for that loan, down payment, mortgage, or any other kind of financial need that you have. Have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.